I have two pets. I have two pets. Their names are Coco and Max. Their names are Coco and Max. Coco is a white furry cat. Coco is a white furry cat. Max is a playful dog. Max is a playful dog. They make me very happy. They make me very happy. I love them a lot. I love them a lot. I met Coco first. I met Coco first. It was a cold winter morning. It was a cold winter morning. She was shaking from the cold. She was shaking from the cold. She looked scared. She looked scared. I picked her up gently. I picked her up gently. I took her home. I took her home. I gave her warm milk. I gave her warm milk. I gave her a soft blanket. I gave her a soft blanket. She felt safe. She felt safe. She felt warm. She felt warm. She became part of my family. She became part of my family. Now Coco likes sitting by the window. Now Coco likes sitting by the window. She sleeps on my bed at night. She sleeps on my bed at night. She purrs softly when she is happy. She purrs softly when she is happy. A few months later, I found Max. A few months later, I found Max. He was stuck up. He could not move. He was stuck up. He could not move. I helped him out carefully. I helped him out carefully. He followed me home. He followed me home. He wagged his tail the whole way. He wagged his tail the whole way. Max enjoys outdoor fun. Max enjoys outdoor fun. He loves playing in the park. He loves playing in the park. He likes meeting new people. He likes meeting new people. He is very friendly. He is very friendly. Taking care of my pets is important to me. Taking care of my pets is important for me. I give them food every day. I give them food every day. I clean Coco's litter box often. I clean Coco's litter box often. I take Max for walks 2 times a day. I take Max for walks 2 times a day. I take them to the animal doctor for checkups. I take them to the animal doctor for checkups. The doctor checks if they are healthy. The doctor checks if they are healthy. My pets understand me well. My pets understand me well. When I feel sad, they comfort me. When I feel sad, they comfort me. Coco sits on my lap. Coco sits on my lap. Max loves to stay with me. Max loves to stay with me. They taught me patience and love. They taught me patience and love. They are not just pets. They are my family. They are not just my pets. They are my family. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Comment down below which video would you guys like to see next. Until next time.